Oh, remember, one coloring book from True World TV. I represent for Davi Dan HD. And you see a movie here, it named Jealous Friend. So remember, just watch it and just tell me what you like, what you don't like, why your favorite actor or actress. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And remember, a strength for strength. Big up the whole of the fans them who support the whole of the people who do the movie. One coloring book from True World TV. Big up Davi Dan. Room.
Girl, you pull it too slow.
Everything you want, you can bake so.
I don't know if me bake. I'm over there go a party of lend me a blows.
Me not even know how that fit you.
Me take it. Me take it, girl.
If you take in me good blouse, girl.
So you expect you that fit me? I remember say you give it to me and anything you give to me is mine.
No,
so I take it.
Me lend you.
No.
I must say that's why mommy love you so. Why my mother love you more than how she love me?
Me not know.
Mommy.
Good. Thank you. Yeah, thank you for the
Mommy.
Oi.
Come here.
What?
You know say,
Hi, Charlotte.
Hey, you alright?
Yes, you're looking beautiful this morning.
Yeah, man, we give thanks. We give thanks for there. Yes.
I look like I love her more than myself.
Which one me love more? Me love the two, I know. Me no must love you. You is my picnic. You're my daughter. And me love you same way. Cause me raise you like my own. Me love the two, I know.
Yeah.
Let me know which one catch them jealous quicker.
Oh. And I mean, I could never mean how we attack.
If the cap fit, wear it. Me have to put
Ayo.
the fire.
Ali. So, I go on different with my girl. And I nothing can tell me. No, say me your best friend, you know. So tell me these them. I go on there
I
like.
don't have nothing to tell a girl.
How you not tell me?
Oh, you want just up in my life so?
Because I'm your best friends. If you tell me the things, then me tell you how hold on, let me tell you, don't tell about nobody, you know. Tell you how she come and eat her. Yeah, she still a get lick, girl. She still a get lick.
What you not say?
That's why she shouldn't take your man from you.
From me?
Yeah,
Me don't want him from morning, girl. Me
But-
gonna tell her that.
Yeah, me a good on the road still. Girl, I wish boy that come in your yard. Why?
After me don't know him.
If you don't know a man come in your yard.
Me don't know him.
Well, then sit down. He can't come to me and never sit down. I wait till he comes.
That place so different.
Kelly,
Marati, Davi.
where you are doing?
There. Girl, I'm your favorite cousin, listener. How when you come?
You know, so I seen this man even touch down. I'm gonna me I say, me have to fall, me not even call me come now. Where Auntie Shami in there?
She there inside. Mommy. Mommy.
Oi,
See Davi here.
Davi.
Yes.
Side,
Auntie,
Hey, you're right. When you come down, why you never tell me?
Oh, surprise, you know.
Lord God, a real surprise for you.
Auntie, younger than with my left, man.
Ah, then I must have the good genes, man. So you're right, you're
I mean,
right.
if me alright, Auntie, me I'll carry some holy pass it me.
Lord, no, me love you.
Watch on. You look for watch. Let me know if you watch still on. But I watch on feel.
Me start, we watch now.
Forget them.
Yeah.
But if you tell me, say you want my laptop.
Oh, yay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, Miss Charmian.
Yes, baby.
Me just I know him.
Girl, everybody want to know.
No, what? Me I don't know that family. No, me just I know him.
No, true. I'm a nephew and I'm a sister's son.
He gone from him a baby.
Yes.
From him a little picnic gone. So you not going to know him. And
He not
everybody
get
know.
big now. He not
Yes.
get big now. You could have show a picture or something.
No, me don't want you know him.
Kayla, this is her daughter from another mother.
You see your daughter?
Ah,
Come in, then me
and
and the
this
family
is
come on.
Davi.
How you doing?
Yes. smell nice.
Yeah, man, I go check a side check out.
I said, never bring that for me.
No, me never know yet.
Oh. No, they know me. You're
You
bad.
share,
What's
man.
that now?
You
Yeah,
share.
because me and some other people could chop off for doing soon circle back.
Alright.
I probably tomorrow because I have some suitcase and something. I look at Uber. Me even know say Uber in a country.
Yes, everything they here now.
That me I say Uber
Yes.
carrying out that's still. Me tell them something all left.
Alright.
Alright, make sure 2 days no pass I'm gonna see you.
Yeah, make sure you come back.
Not even 2 hours, man.
Alright.
Alright.
Good to see you. The fat and rowny like England phone. Come in nephew to Hey.
So, go on a scoop over there so you get laptop. Open up,
I'm gonna put my watch
Real
down.
fancy girl. So you can't even meet? No, sir. Everything you want. Me and your friend. That no matter. Me just get him not even use it. Me not set you up or nothing. I want him. Well, but I get it half cousin I never tell me still. And everything me go tell a girl. Well, now you know. Yes, now me start my period more regular. Bye-bye. See why? Me not normally come here, yard. But why you want to come more regular now? So me get to know your family member them. Okay. So then we bring things from England to me too. You want too much in a life. Mommy. Come here. Let me say something to you.
Where Kayla gone?
She said she gone home. You know, say look like she like Davi.
Hey! Missy say when she hug him, she never want to let him go.
Yeah, tell her.
Well,
Everybody she like mommy. You know.
well, I hope she find the right man. Because she deserve it, man. She deserve a little happiness. So I hope she find the right man.
Because she want to come up here more often. So I asked her say why she want to come up here more often because we have cousins come from foreign. So I said, I know so she like him.
Well, you never see when 2 eye make 4. Me depend the veranda, me feel Cupid ball lick. Me not surprised.
Davi having girlfriend.
Me know but in name man.
In name man, yes, but I don't want she and Davi for live.
Why?
Cause nothing she right girl for you.
Why she not right for him? Kelly is a good girl and Davi is a good man.
That's how you think.
Well, you know what me no know.
We will find out.
Alright. Well, them say if man come on holiday and what goes on in Rome or in this case what goes on the rock stays on the rock. My loyalty is with Davi, so we just hope everybody do them protection and do them thing. But if Kayla get a little piece of the good luck, how?
It's fine. We'll see how it goes. Right?
As long as heart not get broken and feelings not in the things.
It good.
Yeah, you never know. Kayla might be part of the family now.
She's already.
Then the most, and then when they're married, you never know. They can married. And your best friend, who is your sister, sister
Friend,
from
my
another
cousin,
mother,
yeah.
aye. And then give your little cousin and give me grand. Nobody stop me. I go dream. Hey. Why? Under you're so cool and nice. Pour me a drink there, please, baby. Me do the important thing first, you know? Have to hold my meds man and give thanks. Hey.
It's just boring.
Oh gosh. Yeah, man. Full of vibes, full of beds, and we have the cool breeze. Me just want Davi to come now, man. Coming long to see me now.
Yeah.
Me hungry for him.
Right now, Kayla, no one see.
Well, you know, so thank you, baby. You know, so from Davi there.
Hello!
Hey!
I saw the things
You
now.
going belong in a girl.
So I saw the auntie and she kind of don't even invite me. We just call her name.
And
She
you're
call my
here.
phone. I have a phone. She call my phone.
See, you come
We know
to
you
the
did not pay
shop.
go. I shot my dog go.
Before
We know
you
you
go
did not
shop
pop
up yourself, baby.
Oh,
You
no.
live life and a full
No.
dry
I
life.
shot me go buy something to eat. Me eat from mine. I don't want to drink from them.
Drink and drunk, girl.
No. So, so when my cousin there, I him buy no liquor. No, he soon come where him where wait for
So
him.
call him, come. Make him come quicker. We have something to deal with on the
Who
road.
call him?
Yes, I want to get to know him. Because my cousin ain't come from England and I don't know him. And you like my mother and like my sister. Call him, make him come up.
Davi,
Hello.
come up the road with the outer road.
You know, say that me all the depot on my way too. Alright, I'll be there in no time.
Alright, well we're fine.
Okay.
You might come. So make it on for a while. What meeting says, you know?
No girl, they're too frightened.
No, man, Lower.
I have something I deal with.
That can't wait.
Then the most. You know, whole of vibes.
No, I mean, I want no vibes, you say.
What you will I
So
run?
she will I run.
Mind you, if you not spill it and give the ancestors,
yeah.
they will take
All
it, you
that
know.
to me give them
Put it on.
Give
some.
them, they will take it.
You tell me something if you get drunk like you drunk already.
Like me a drink and
Why?
You have to live, man.
So now the food up there.
We always have food. But I tell her no. We always have food, especially for you, baby.
mommy she love her belly too much.
Yes,
say
so
you
we have
fight
to
me
eat
out of
and live.
Me and you could never be best friends and you fight me out of business.
Girl, sometimes you make a belly roll too much, man.
You make your mouth rule up too much. You say some things enough to say.
No girl.
All right, done the fighting, man. Done the
not
fighting.
fight,
The
we
positive
talk.
vibes with it.
Yeah, we just at her.
Alright.
Oh, Davi take so long to come.
You should have tell him Sekela there. He would have come quicker.
That's true. You shall lead with
You know,
that.
sister loving at the ear.
So,
Watch out. How kind of talks them, man? I cut up weed and what is wrong? Yeah, you.
me there here, alright?
So I don't see how going.
We enjoy
there.
the vibes, baby. We enjoy the vibes. You can't live them your life for foreign.
I don't mean, but until
Hey,
until when me left for Jamaica, I never see how them big spliff there.
true you little bit. I'm gonna do certain things around picnic, but you come back and you're a big man now, so.
So Bill, I'm to me now.
She not left out for her.
You smoke?
No, sir. If me smoke, me turn over right now.
Me gonna tell me
Take
sister
some
for you.
rum.
Yeah, man, drink some
Drink
of
some of
the
the
rum.
rum.
I mean, want to talk to you.
Yeah, man. No.
Yeah, man,
problem.
answer one question. So, you plan to fly back to England?
Yeah, you know, I feel chat, but you know, I'm there a long time now, so my family. I come down for you summer.
Ask you one important question. You single?
Me?
Eh.
No, you know, moon really so.
Why not?
That's something that kind of complicated. Like, me just want to live, you know. Moon really is some, you know, look of stuff.
That don't make no sense.
And I saw my feel like relationship with me, you know, make no sense, but me still in a one, so me can't. I'm really single.
I did tell you.
But that does me
What
still.
about you tell?
They tell you.
Tell who?
You.
What you tell me say?
So
You not single.
I let me look him.
Girl, we all know say like.
No, me don't like
say
it.
you like him.
No, don't pin no like for me.
You
I
know
cannot like.
say you like him.
I like him.
See how I make it.
Yeah, like.
When
Me
you
don't like.
turn
Look
good
on me,
boy.
humble like him.
When you turn good boy.
And you look like you like her too.
No.
Love is in
Me don't-
there. Anywhere I look around.
Auntie,
Oh, drink your drink, man, and relax
Auntie,
Come
yourself.
drink some rum.
no, me no want to rum. Auntie, me ask you one question now. Right? What is love? You say love is in the air.
Love is in
I
the
breathe
air.
and blow. No, love me there so.
Breeze that blow love towards you.
Oh, friend, we not white rum, you
Lord God.
Yeah,
Sorry, make it turn soft,
Jamaica,
man.
you know, drink your rum.
Me a go up on the road and now.
Alright, pick up yourself.
I'm kind of mad.
Girl, so you
You
gone
know
so
if
quick.
you're mad. Davi is a nice girl, you know. Me raise her like my daughter. I saw you loyal.
What do you mean by that?
What you mean? What me mean by that?
Boy,
A man your name.
so what that mean?
Me might be your auntie, but me no know fool. A man your name.
And she like you. She really like you.
Aye.
You so? You know, see.
From you come, she not stop talk about you.
Aye.
And so she'll come away and more often.
I choose she sees
Just
you now
because
show
you
the
did it.
vibes.
You feel so?
You know
Don't
some
play a
man.
fool.
You know things.
I like you,
You're
I like
cousin me
her.
know, you know.
No,
You're
man.
my cousin me know, you know. You're not so loyal.
No, man, me a loyal youth, man. Most of the
You know
time.
my favorite cousin, me, you know.
I know some me no like him, man. But I say me just follow me even. I have to know him name good. Kayla, I'm sure. Alright,
See
cool.
how you remember.
I'm a foreign
You
man for
remember.
true, you know.
Just
Cause
cool, man.
any Jamaican man me know see a body like that. Him no business with the name. He gone straight in there, so gone parking car. Hey, me if he gone far and gone turn Christian.
Give me number. Give me number. We take from this. But I just remember you. I don't care about that. My friend.
Drink your rum.
Drink the rum, man. You gone to England, gone fridge.
You must have gone to
Gone in the
Christian.
fridge, gone got soft, man.
No, drink the rum.
Tibi love rum. I'm going to lick it up.
Ah, get Tibi, man. Get Tibi. Make sure you come back and bring your boombox to hear.
All right.
On the music I'm missing yourself. Why? Sun hot, Baba. Especially under the rum. Hey.
Yeah.
Couldn't manage it, Baba.
Right now, I'll call Kayla in the morning because I have good news to give her.
Make sure you don't make her day, yes. I say that make her day, man.
Hello, Kayla.
Yeah, girl.
Why you come up here right now? Because I have some good news to give. I'm going to get over the phone.
Good news. Come quick.
Hurry up, girl.
Make you say good news and me walk
Girl,
up.
step in there and hurry up and come on.
Alright, me family.
Alright.
She come. She got happy, you see.
Yeah.
And then I think so them cute together, you know.
You think so?
Yeah, man. Them black alike and then cute and she just.
We'll get one nice little black baby.
Yeah, man. Oh, God. Now I gotta get my grandniece. What a fuck.
We'll get my baby favorite cousin. My favorite baby cousin.
With your best friend. Wonder could have sweeter. You gotta be godmother, you know.
After.
Them have to ask you if you be godmother. Who else?
They would have crazy.
I'll me with a shot in my box too.
More than box.
Cause you is the best friend. And you are the
I'm
favorite cousin.
You
the most.
You that favorite friend to make me be godmother.
Of course. Oh God. Cause all you slow for give me grand picnic, so I forget circle for grand
Yeah, I
niece.
forget an expect me to give you that.
No, sir. By the time me wait 18 years again, 20 odd years again, you mad? You better make
Mama,
case.
me not ready for them to
You
suck
know
me.
where you are wait pan.
Life is short.
Exactly. Life short. Me want to show off my
Money.
grand picnic too.
Picnic don't fit me and nice clothes and shoes and slippers and hair and nails fit me.
You
Not
know
picnic.
one picnic, man. You
No,
must
mommy.
think about other people,
When
man.
me at 35, me think about that.
Which part? How you know how long me upon this earth?
You have long. Just stop with that. And you will
Stop.
have longer.
This will keep me, my girl. This is my medicine here. This is my
That
medicine.
I'm like Kayla, they text me so.
She better not say she not come.
Oh, she said she depend on her way they come. She's so worried.
Girl. Good girl. Hey, you know, sister, she never really tarry with we.
Yeah, she just said come and normally should have come and stay.
Aye.
No, she
And
just,
drink there.
You know, see, she didn't want any romance. She did go she have a shop and I don't want to her these days.
Maybe she shy.
Yes. Alright, no. Let me put past I want to tell me.
Boy, every day you come in, you just always so busy and quick for life.
I have a life, you know. Money.
Yeah.
Money only good news make me happy.
So what if she phone you and tell you say me want to see her? Bad news that?
No, but that could have wait. You know. Gosh, my gosh.
You say, me tell her that she you love.
Me love the tour,
Me love
man.
it
Give
too.
her the good news.
Davi said, me can give her the number.
Oh. That?
Say no glad.
Yeah, I'm glad, but you could have give me it over the phone.
No, me didn't want to get over the phone. Me go send it now.
No, me dear. Don't send me. Put it in my phone. Can call him now. Put it in there. Yeah, girl. Oh, you have to go left me, woman.
Make sure
Call
you
him
treat
now.
him. But no
Yes,
say.
I'm ready to call him.
No say. I'm only there in Jamaica for a little while, you know. So nobody put your whole heart into this.
No.
And but I feel like you want to come your mouth while I'm money. Not because
I'm not doing that.
Make sure you see your mouth.
What we so I'm asking a question now. So you need to motivate him to left you, woman.
Girl, that's your job. Me can't.
No, that's okay. Let me get in number. No, I'm a family member, you know. Especially you.
Let me teach you something. You see, man easy. Man easy for control and ride, you know.
Time.
You see, from you clamp him right, and you clamp him and hold him
You
tight.
control
I
everything.
hate that. Cause
You
me all
control
not like, me all
everything
not like
about
the woman
fishy.
abroad.
Everything.
Me not like she.
You like her?
So, are you and my daughter already? So you for be the niece-in-law.
Right, and get a nice little black baby.
Aye.
And I'm a godmother for her now.
So how you want to be godmother, you know, make me be god nothing?
Girl, me
You
not
not plan to breed?
No. Me not ready for that.
I know where you wait for.
Girl, me wait till I'm 35.
But if that's all, I'm going home now.
35 which part?
The time they might be gone.
Nobody wish that upon me, girl.
No,
Me
me
have
not
no
wish-
medicine.
She had just 21, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Imagine 35.
So girl, you have to go clamp my nephew quick. And give me
Yes,
me grandnephew
give her the
and grandniece.
But
And grandniece me want to know.
I your daughter twin, so give her.
Mm-hmm.
Me not
Cause me
that
can't bother wait for she.
Me not ready for the baby. Baby now here.
one. Have you go wear it?
No. But thanks for your number, girl.
Yeah, make sure you
We
call me.
family breed good, you know. We family
Be a
breed
pretty
good.
baby. No,
But no 35 for you. Me glad say you finish school and everything. But me want boast and brag for my grandpa.
And
Yeah.
right now, life is short. Me have to live my little life.
Yeah, man.
My party.
But you don't want to have them when them old. You don't want to have them when you're
And I
old.
don't want to grow with them. I want to have them when I'm old.
Ah, me know.
I don't want me happy and care con dash it down pile.
Yeah, dash everything else for me.
Alright, me go get you and dash it pile.
Me gone, cause the boom done and this are kind of hot. So, I'm going to go down.
Me can't manage no more room. My system heated.
You need a man to go breathe now. Hey!
Auntie,
What?
what?
Why am I there? You look and live. You
Yeah,
good?
look and live. No, is that right now? Me the power different meditation. Yo, David.
Oh, you just come and you check me, so.
No, me no matter check me.
You know how long me not see you, and as soon as Davi come, you come check whether me there.
Yeah, because me check here they saying on a money. Cause I be a rum and drink. I just drink rum and just feel vibes that some of them. Here I go on. Make him know say. You see money for him pa. Eh? Need my money. And him response feet. You get what me I say? I get what me I say.
Stop and rewind and remember who you are talk to.
You mean say me know who me talk to?
Eh? You might have grow to your little short pants from me and auntie and you and nephew.
Auntie.
Me change your body. Me
Auntie.
change your pampers.
Auntie.
Me see a little thing before you see it. So
Auntie,
know who you are talk to.
I think change on the auntie because man a big
I'm a
man.
bigger woman.
So all the money I go, all the money I go.
Money I go.
Tell.
Yes, she said Davi Daddy dead. You know,
Yes,
no
my father.
compassion.
So what they do me dead too? Me for dead too.
All we are go dead.
Yeah, but-
Every one of we are go dead.
So what you say to me say?
Every one of we are go dead.
I check me, auntie. I check me. Tell David say, me need my money. Me need my 150,000. I'm gonna need it by tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on, go to here. I'm gonna see him. So
Hey.
so Wednesday.
Let me tell you something.
Wednesday.
Let me tell you something.
Yo, man.
You catch more with honey than vinegar, you know. That's why you're not going nowhere in your life, you know.
What me not
And
going
you
in
have
life?
vinegar, you know.
What you mean say me
You
have
have
vinegar?
vinegar, you know.
Me look like a vinegar?
You have vinegar.
Eh?
You look, smell, taste like a vinegar.
Auntie, just deliver the message. Come on, I want to check him in
Me
the car.
want know how.
What you mean say you
My
want to know how?
brother-in-law dead and gone.
Yeah, and
and
what?
you chase my nephew.
Yeah, because the money when dead gone now, you say boss come back. Because you know, you see when me when
Can't they wait for the duppy?
Me for wait
A
for the duppy?
you for wait, pan.
I make you want
Can't wait for the duppy? Eh?
Me
Cause
for wait
me
pan
want
duppy.
know where you are going to do my nephew.
You wanna know?
Me want to say, if you call you uncle, if you call me auntie.
you want to know. I know you want to know.
Me want to
Alright.
know, me want to know.
Hear me as I really deal with violence against women. You know. See? But I may say to you, say, deliver the message for me. And if you don't deliver it today, me I have to deliver it myself. See, make a decision, auntie. Right now, I'm paranoid, because right now, I tell you. You might see we are do this and do that, but we want money. And since in fall, me need my money. You understand me? I say, how will this come down the bus? Yeah?
Go walk your money. Like how everybody else go walk their money.
Well,
See
I'm
a
gonna tell you,
taxi, the man are walking money. You can go walk.
Alright, here we are
No
going.
two
Here we are
damn
going.
lazy
It's
and
since
bad mind.
Bad mind what? Bad mind what?
Bad mind.
Bad mind what?
So
We are
what?
talking about bad mind
So
what?
what? So what? So what?
Say what?
We are just bigger than mine.
Everything good, everything
Yeah,
good.
just because
Just
I'm
remember
mine.
some men chop off a message, yeah?
Lower
Must-
your voice when you talk to
Let me lower your voice.
people.
I know my left present.
Know what you're dealing with. You get your badness from me, not the other way around. Oh, I don't even want the rum no more.
Some want to get things. Yo, some want boss here, you know. Deliver a message.
No. I rum again, man. Salt. What, my nephew?
What do you auntie?
Why? I come to check you, cause after you leave yesterday, the dusty one Kamara come like raging bull in the yard and look for you.
You tell Kamara soon come to my friend.
Me don't know, but you know how news spread around you, so.
I didn't really like him, you know, right? I don't want to tell her. I didn't like that person there.
You ranking out all them if I dress him.
You know, come on and beg money.
If it was that, Davi wouldn't be too bad.
What happened?
The brutes come in my yard like any raging bull. Where him there? Where him there? Me hear him come from foreign. Me hear him come from foreign. I look for you for some money.
You know where? What kind of money maybe you look for him for?
Money him say your father dead Owen.
So I'm gonna call up my dead father, Pete. Yo. Alright, you see what, mommy? You see what, auntie? You see, if my father really owe that man money, maybe we give me, you know, because my daddy that my father, and daddy no there now to defend your legacy so that they can call me. So if he really does owe him, we'll make sure so he get him money. But auntie, you're sure say my father owe him money?
That means just about to say, you know, you have to double check, you know, because the one Kamara one dirty liar than thief, you know.
How much years me there for and him never yet once called me?
Aye.
One time remember he called me, you know. And I went daddy dead. And he said, how much money me I send him to help buying suit for the funeral?
And that me I talking, you know. Them the people just live for dead left. Follow it up first before you drop 1 red cent in him hand. Him is a liar than a thief. Yeah?
Man, I figured that out.
Alright, and watch out for him.
But hold on, auntie. Kayla. Kayla take me number now, but me no know still. Me no really, auntie, me I tell her the truth, you know. Me no really look no relationship, you know. And me I think so to tell her, but how me no want when me a linking, me will feel offended and say, what do you think me can tell him?
Why? All me can say, my nephew, you have to drop it to her straight, you know. No bother linger and hurt her feeling, because she's a good girl. As loud as you see her there, she's a good girl. So just come straight and tell her. It might a hot little bit, but it's like plaster. You just have to wax it off, so.
Yeah, I thought that. Come and text him and tell him to link me away so today, you know. Me excited and something. But you know, I just know how to lead on nobody, so me make you know all of that. And when after everything, I call in Kapayada and make you know.
Alright, but remember the sandwich effect.
What that?
You give a good news first. You give a compliment first.
Yeah.
Like the bread. Then you give the bad news. And then you give another good news. So when them see you, it tastes nice. Then the bitter garlic in the middle. And then you leave them with a sweet taste in their mouth. Here.
Boy, you're full of wisdom.
You have to know how to give bad news.
Alright, I'll try that one.
Alright, man. Later.
Yeah, man.
I'm so glad. I come to see me, so I'm so glad I give it talk to you.
Alright, thanks for out, Kayla.
That's something more to say to you. I'm kind of nervous.
You nervous?
Yes. Okay, you know, say, what you want me to start a relationship?
Yeah. God know me, how I'm feeling so that, you know. Alright, you know, so if you tell you the real truth though, Kayla, I realize say you kinda like me. And me know if you actually like me, I just did cause auntie I push on vibes. But either way, me not gonna say me not interested in you, but me know how me talk too much. Me first thing me have someone overseas who I may live with. Cause I must be there for a short period of time. So me not even see how that would work out. And then me is not the type to give but that's just not me. That's just not me. So me not even know.
You need to talk about your woman overseas. You talk about me and you right here. So, I see your woman overseas right here. So, but she there. Me talk about me and you. Want me and you for them and good dealings, man. Me did like you. Nobody can push me upon you. Me did like you for a longer time. So, you can't give me a chance.
Yeah, me not really want to do that. Because I know me talent. Me don't want that. But here, we can be friends. And if everything work out one type of way, might be in the future we can progress to another level. But
me never say me I look for me. Me not look for me have your cousin for my friend.
Well,
So me can talk. You know, go up your yard, sleep on it, wake up in the morning, bed pan it, and think about it then go answer yes. That's all I have to do, you know.
Master.
Ah, you
Alright.
can't do. We can't. We talk fair now, and then when you're ready to go back overseas, we left.
Me no. Alright, tell her. Me give you an answer. Me not really think so, but me give you an answer. I jump over here still. Cause I just meet me don't meet and tell her in person. Cause me no want to let down nobody.
Oh,
See, Salim? Alright, look come over here.
bye.
Hi, daughter, you alright?
Yes, mommy.
Me just a forward from the shop on town. And me see your cousin. You know, so me and him did a whole lot of reasoning and you know, look like same too keen pan Kayla, you know.
And me did that, you know. Me see it from him because them saying him just come in, they say have girlfriend and he have not did this and that, so I hit me did figure. Me know, say no really. But then not true, she have force herself or whatever. He just a take a try. And then we are forcing upon her to see him.
We wasn't helping. We think we have to ease off on that.
I don't know. Kinda make no sense.
That's
Can't
true.
force a man for doing no one.
One thing you can
And then again, when he hurt she, I will get blamed.
keep out tight.
Leave them alone if they want. Thought me then do that on their own, but no way.
Anything it'll come back to me.
Thank you.
Look like them tell me still. And then the other thing, Dirty Kamar. Hey? There goes. And the Dirty Brew forgets me and your auntie.
Me not like him, you know. Me don't like him one bit. I can't stand him.
I come and I cuss and I look for Davi and I say, he want money, came here, so him come back from
foreign. Hear him. Me should have made
Him can't manage you. And I look for money, Davi father owe him. Hey? Look how long him dead and gone.
So, dead man can give back money?
In bad mind, I true Davi go foreign and come back.
And he look bad man, he smell bad man, everything about him bad
And
man.
every dead left him walk and want.
Him soon dead too.
Me not call that down pan nobody. God willing, me not call that down pan nobody.
God forbid.
But me I go in. I'm hungry right here now. Me go look something to eat.
Alright, me there sit down on my phone.
Alright, bless.
Girl, call my cousin now.
Don't even bother call me that, you know.
Why? You know my good cousin lah.
I done the road while I go in and I need to chat done, you know.
How comes?
The man don't want me. You can't believe that.
What you mean by no?
He tell me point blank in my face say, I don't think it's going to work because I have my woman at foreign.
Oh jeez.
And he
You
know
don't
he said,
say.
yes, he said don't want me there.
So you
But walk over to talk to you so you can talk to him because me want him.
me?
Yeah.
Me can't talk to him.
Why?
Me talk to him already.
Talk to him again. Refresh his memory.
Me not getting a woman and man affair. Girl, you have to try work that out for yourself.
Girl,
Me
me
can't
and
help
your
you
friend.
again.
Me and you are friend. Me and your friend from a longer time.
Girl,
And I
how
want
we
to
look?
do.
How we look for no say? Me, I push up my cousin Payan, you know. You know, so when he hurt, you know, and me, you get blame, you know. You go pray and say, girl, this and that, that and that. And I me, you they get blame. When you the ball off my shoulder, you want to come back, and me no want no tears span for my shoulder.
No girl, me not ball.
You
I have
make,
two of them one time.
you make sure.
So but me want to one
And me
day.
not wipe no tears.
Just take your time and talk to him. Because
Me
if
go
you
talk to
can,
him one last time. Me don't call him right now. And talk to him. Me not talk to him again. If he say no, it's just no. You just have to accept that because me can't help him no more.
well, you know what?
Yeah, you see I put out
If you
now.
talk to him and he don't work out, I make it stay. And I put myself on him.
Thank you. Me really want it to stay because me can't bother with you and him.
Come here to tell me feel like I'm on the road, you know? Me feel like I catch heart attack.
You try not catch none.
He just
Over
he just,
man.
He just dash it by me so. And he's skinny it and say, I know it was that you're going to come and tell me about. I have a feeling about it. It can't work. I got my woman a friend. I said, this is me talk about your woman with your friend. I talk about me and you. So when you talk to him, put in the good word. Tell him say woman they are friend. Me and your friend. Tell him all of the
But
good
girl,
things.
he's so gone. So what big deal?
So be the case and me and talk and me and get things right, he will stay.
Alright,
We'll talk to him.
call him right now. Call him. I'm calling.
Yes, swipe and dial the number.
Hello.
Hello.
Cuz,
Yo.
come over here right now. Come in for a reason with you.
I'm just some door left the place and I'm sitting important.
Yes.
Alright, me I'll forward.
Alright.
What is it?
In there come.
Okay, good. Can be determined.
You love man bad.
Yes, if you didn't love man, you'd have baby in your belly.
Me know what girl, me not tell you already from beginning. Me not ready for that.
You're 25, but when you go get pick me? 30.
5 years later. Are we there when I go and so far?
Wow, what's my... Where's you have to tell me, sis? Cause
Cause I tell us say. Go and cool down little.
where's you have to tell me, say?
You know, say the girl really like you though.
Who?
No Kayla.
I'm a kiss so.
You know say that? A girl like you. Anyways, how serious is a relationship with a girl overseas?
Well, me and him kind of live on some bad terms, you know. And that's why, that's even one of the biggest reasons I'm did forward to Jamaica too. I just show me to like chat my business, but I still move, man.
And your woman, yes, but you're there Jamaica, she there foreign. Give girl a chance. Yeah, look how far she there. Way over waters. And this a girl at the right of you and like you so much. Give girl a chance.
But me not even there long. That's all.
It no matter.
Oh, you know.
Nothing try, nothing done. You don't know what can happen in the future. You don't know if you might fall in love with her or whatever. You have to just give girl a try.
I feel a friend like that.
Yeah, I'm a friend like that. I'm my best friend for much years. And the girl really, really like you. And she not stop pissing me. This morning she come up a yard. She out for cry because she say, yeah, tell her say you have woman a friend you don't want her and this and that. And that not nice. Can me feel away.
But no. I know something I like him because but me just not get into nothing. I mean once I have to go left and break somebody heart.
You don't left but you're not go left ever. You go there go and come same way. So nothing wrong. I mean no say from you fall in love with she they come here more regular than often and that me want. Cause me want to see more regular.
Alright, my cousin, you say anything I say? I say you go. So,
just give her a try.
me I give her a
Nothing
chance.
try, nothing done.
Me I give her a chance.
You don't talk about so long, man. I can't go down there.
Alright then, wait there. You see me?
One day you talk about so long.
Are you wait boy? You live long.
Feel like, you know what I say?
Me put in the word.
Oh well, not too long when me just a bamboo chair chat. I don't know if me come off harsh and
Where you try pronounce?
harsh. I don't know if I did deal with the rough or so. But because I show me some pre what I never really think about and if you're still willing, would I want for me and you like start up something.
Yeah, say we are going to get started.
Yeah, that's if you're still willing.
Yes! Please! So happy, thank you, girl. Yeah.
Welcome.
So we're going to start talking about something.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, wait. I don't prank on that prank me now.
No man, I'm
Girl.
serious.
Serious,
But, watch out, I come have the contact already. Now you will link up over the phone. Come, must I sit me there, must I
I mean, I want to know no business.
No, man.
But watch out, cause for yourself sitting, you know, that's cheap, I could say it. Baby, for yourself sitting too. And now you will link up here. Alright.
Yeah, later.
So how much money you get?
That no, no, for the deal, girl.
I like you get bigger money than me. That's $4 grand. How much you get? So you get more money.
Because I'm my cousin.
Am I man?
That no, no, for doing me.
No worries. Oh, don't pay that no man.
Kayla,
Yeah.
come for check you. You alright?
Yeah, follow me.
Oi. Me the other day when we talked to you and see you, we just had to think see you did feel away. So I come to check you.
Feel away about what?
You know, with the turn down and thing, and just want to make sure say you're alright.
Yeah, that about. You know what I mean?
Because you and I know you did have your heart set on Davi and thing, and that can't work. But there's plenty.
So your dad never tell the news.
What kind of news?
We are talking now.
What
City Link. Yeah, and Davi, we are talking yesterday.
From yesterday?
Yeah.
But me and Kelly, all right. Well, I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you.
Yeah, it's time for any minute now.
So how that come about?
Well, I know somebody call him first. I tell him make me talk about it and something, but he said no, he have a woman or something. Kelly talked to him and he said yes.
Kelly talked to him. My Kelly.
Yeah, Kelly.
Okay. Well, we're happy for you.
Yes.
We're happy for you.
So I'm not sad or nothing. Alright.
Good. I that my love. Well, me did just want to check on you and make sure everything alright and things. So me I go back home.
Okay, alright. That's come over any minute now still. So me alright.
Oh, alright. Little more.
Okay, alright.
Alright. Oh. You know, sir, we just come over from Kayla. And we got checked on her to see if she alright after what I thought was rejection from Davi.
Oh. But they talk to him, man.
Oh, you never tell me, because we did say so you're going to keep out it and thing. So when him change his mind, because when me see him the other day, he wasn't interested.
You know, I say, at the same day when Kayla come up a yard and she did that, then knock me till me just call Davi. And Davi come on me. You just talk to him and give him put little sense in my head. Because I tell him, say, in woman are foreign, India, Jamaica now. Why not talk to Kayla? He might not know where it may lead them, right? Talk to Kayla, you know, make my go. Come and say, girl, when they find it on and off and this and that. So I just talk to Kayla. You may not know what can happen or what. Probably we start coming here more often and we want to
That
see
would
more
have nice.
often,
That would have nice. Because there is a little thing between them. So it would have nice to see. It would have nice to see the truth.
Over here hot, so me just come out as I take some cold breeze. Over there hot. Time hot.
Yeah, hot for you. Unusual hot for
Can't
October.
manage over there, man. Me have to just come under the bamboo tree and I take in some little breeze. Over there hot.
Me can't follow you as much as me would have want the breeze. If we follow that, nothing get done. But my girl, it's not like some comfort. You know, berate you or nothing. But true, we did talk about it.
Me know so we did talk, mommy, and me know how you feel now with some name say to you. It's just that, you know, sometimes you just get caught up. Me myself not even did remember. Because me just do it for you and just call it a day. Yes, I'm not even remember if you come sit down and tell you what they go on or whatever, but I just say go sometime.
Well,
Say go.
I wish them the best. Long may it last. I just hope, say, I will see how Kayla, they kind of jump up happy when he come from France. I just hope, say, she may use him and thing. I don't really know her for that.
I just hope and pray. I don't know. I not swear for nobody still because I can't swear for nobody these days, but I don't think she don't do that. But let's see.
That's all you can do. Hope and pray. All right. Come up, give it about half an hour and then I will be bubbling.
All right, later.
Hi.
First, me I come out this area. And then fire so. Kayla.
Yeah.
Oh, I saw.
Yeah, come here. Come. Yeah, so welcome to my home. This is my place. You know much, but you want to fix up and thing.
No, yeah, so man, you have a nice place.
You so like it?
Yeah, of course. We don't really have any type of homes back in the UK, you know.
This me house?
No, we just say we don't have any type of home. Like home, I feel like a home.
So kind of home you have at your place?
The whole building just look the same. Some tall skyscraper and some like there's no culture, you know, if you understand me. Like even so. Like you can have window up on them there. Man use knife and cut out here and come in from away.
Oh, not a word. Anyways, I come here attack no right. I can't be fit to me. You come here and do over. You hear not talk. Yes, not talk as well.
Yes, no, no. Look where you look nice. What kind of nut?
It's not talk.
That's it.
But I feel like you go and refresh.
How you look a bit, man?
I don't want my nails and fit because they're not the good. I mean, they do them. They're not like money. I got professional.
Mm-hmm.
You can't make more professional.
How much you got?
Probably one nice 10 grand, you know, for the nails. And more new bed. You see, I'm still on any sinking. Can I buy my new bed?
What's your new bed?
You can't get one bed, but I'm for around 23,000 now. Mattress sale 40 grand.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and plus taxi fare for my good on there. Like $500. And then come back and now we pay the truck man around 6,000.
Well, me not until I know it, but me I said like how we just start talking. Me tell her, me I help you now, but just give me some time.
Okay, I want paint for painting here. I want one fan. I don't have a fan in here. I had some time. I want a fan, a ceiling fan.
Alright, don't worry about that.
I want a new clock.
Me I help you out, man. Don't.
I want something put over the
Me I help you,
Yeah.
man. Tell her, me I help you, man. Just when I don't, just make one weekly son. And right now, me I help you, because me kind of tie up with certain things, but me I give you a strength. If it's even a small start, then give you something. But just give me some time, please.
Alright. Go help me, yeah. Thank you.
Alright.
So?
Oh, you have a nice phone too, man. This it's a new iPhone.
No. You don't have iPhone at UK. It's not a new iPhone, my dear. Put in your bank information.
Eh?
Your bank information. You remember you still have to hear me?
No, man, me help you when I'm ready, man. I mean, tell her, say, not right now, but we soon help you make you start.
That's what I say.
Yeah, but not right now, because I'm about to matter some phones ain't kind of tie up right now.
Okay, never mind. How much that? Say alright?
Yeah, I'm a good man.
Okay. See you soon.
Huh?
You come away from me talking and me finish talking to you now.
Oh. Alright.
Yeah, bye-bye.
But watch ya. Where you a come from? You look like a vacation you come from, so.
Yeah, where you mean I come from, man?
But because I'm not coming.
No, man, I'm not like that. I'm not like that. Yeah, I'm not like that, man.
You're adrenaline,
Yes, that's true. But this time, I tell the truth.
so where you come from, buddy?
Over Kayla, yeah, me I come from. True, but I don't really not like that, man. I just reason, Mr. Me over like a reason. Can you invite me over?
Yeah, sure.
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 Cross me heart.
Alright.
Cross me heart and pinky from.
Alright.
Nothing no go on. So, but I go over there and he kind of do something, I kind of pretty different too, you know. But I don't know if I just my mind or, you don't know.
What that?
Alright, so I go over there and I raise with him now. He might tell me, say, yo, I'm glad to see me. And he might show me a place and me and say, you have a nice place and something. No, I
Yeah,
compliment.
but nice, a good space too.
I compliment him place and something. So he might tell me, say, yeah, but you know, I improve the place. Nothing wrong with that, of course. So he
young
might say,
girl man, you have to
yes, that's
step up in
ambitious.
game,
So I love that. So he might tell me, say, he want him place to fix up. He would like one new TV, remote, watch, clock, handbag, here if you do all this type of thing. I mean, I say,
So quick.
I mean, I say to in my mind, what me I say, so quick. So me I say, alright, we go and swear the part. So me I say, alright. I don't like me think little like that, but me can't do nothing.
Me know you can do it, man,
but
but
me I say,
it too quick still.
I say, just know you at least tell me your last name first. You know, at least that.
Me not think you know nothing about him yet.
At least that. So me I say, alright, we help you, but just give me some time, because my phone's saying,
Like I want big red flag still, you know, cause
Yeah,
big red flag.
yeah, but you
But
know,
we have to just watch her and see. Not pay that no mind stills.
but I'm not even
We
that.
have to just go and watch her and see.
I'm not even
why
that, my
outcome.
cousin, I'm not even that. So when me I tell him that, I say, just give me some time. I say, give me a phone. If you say I have some game I show me or some picture on my phone. So I say, what you want me to do? Me feel, you know, me feel like I gotta show him my phone. He must say, put in like my bank info.
You're crazy.
So like he can shop online.
You're
So
too light.
said time no more I get up and walk out of here. But he forced me. So me tell him no now. He say, alright, look more. And like pat me up and you know, carry me out, escort me out of the house and
Yes,
something.
sir.
So me in my mind now,
I don't care like that.
no, me just wonder if I dream, me I dream or.
I must dream in a dream kind of care like that way out of that when your bank info. She crazy.
I hate me I look for an answer. So me I wonder say, if I true me not come and how long me on the for those girls now. I see it and
Cause, really now.
Me no know embassy a long time.
Really no.
Embassy a long time. Me no there, you know. Me no know what
Nothing
place.
like that,
Me no
man.
know what place.
Nothing
Change up.
like that.
So I know so woman tank over there.
That's crazy. That is a big red flag. But as me say, cause probably should just go off wrong and if you just go and watch her and see. We are watch her the same way because we don't want, you don't know say we are family, we don't want no girl come fumble or come go and like say they want to come rule your head or use you. So we not depend on her that way she depend. So we are going to watch her and see. Just watch her, give her a chance and see what she depend. You see me? If you can help her, you help her because remember woman forget things.
Of course.
Yeah, so just do it right and we see what she depend.
Alright.
Because we don't know what you depend on.
Alright, and I'm all free, man. I just glad some I see you because if you go over and think about it,
Me out there say over yard hot your fault. Me have to just out there say they taking like a cool breeze over there so hot. Me just out there so I go and chill out by myself. You see me?
Alright, what you know? Me I deal with some stuff there. So
Alright.
we'll see you.
Later.
Listen, no pay no mind.
No pay no mind.
Alright.
Just go and watch and see.
Alright.
Yeah. Me happy at this sheet. I don't know what she did. Taylor.
Yeah.
Come here.
You never call me name sweet.
No girl, in a sweet time now.
Yeah, come. Oh, God. Ouch. Look, I took my toe.
Girl. Come here, say they do.
Wash, cook, and clean.
One day for the try to use my cousin.
What you say that?
Because my cousin don't come up here though, they tell you boy you want this, you want that. Your ambulance,
No, I say lie.
you want house paint, you want TV, you want clock, you want everything. Alright, your ambulance. One day for the try. Girl, come on, come on,
Girl, me not understand what you say. Me not get what you say. Like, it me I hear what you say, but you know, you know what I mean? We say cousin say, your cousin tell her that?
Yes,
I
girl.
just saw you go. If I saw you go, it means a liar. Me come over here and me explain to him about the things them what me soon buy in the house. Oh, I say to him, he make it look no way. He make it look alright.
Girlie, I'll say run him out. And no, know you have that the type of person. Say run him out.
Girl, you don't know me by now. Me don't run him out. All me do was say to him, say, me don't go deal with
because
something now.
Him now go off a year willing tell it up to him bank information you want. Girl, we want him bank information to do. Like seriously.
Imagine if I didn't find bank information, he thinks I want him to use him for is a mistake, you know. We don't have a relationship. We can have connection. We share things.
No girl, you just meet him not even 3 days ago. They want him and bank info. No girl. I use it, they try using.
Me not using him. So I said over here.
No, me come say me that come attack you because girl you not gonna use my cousin. Me beg fear, me not beg fear use him.
Well, I'm not.
He will help you. He will help you on his own girl, but don't try go on like you want to take advantage.
You don't take no advantage. He just lie. At that time problem, he too lie. So what me I say? Me not use your cousin. Me simple say to him say, me go buy one new clock soon. Me want my bed for fix, cause when me sit up on it a sink, and me don't want me and the pan of sinking bed. So me say as soon as me buy a new bed, he can come back and sleep. You know the place don't look good, Kelly. So me never want him in there. Me say come from where you come from in England? So me I say me don't want him. Me say no that England so high something you live in. I know. He might tell me about a high building, a small building me have.
Girl, I just say if you know what I do, but as I said before, don't try going like you want to use me, because if you know you don't want him, you leave him alone. Please, me I beg you.
That's true.
If you don't want him, just make him go on, because he did tell we say having you man, you don't look good for me, they beg for you, and you go on like you want to use him. Because I mean you get wrong.
Yeah, for sure you want to get wrong. I'm not using, but you can't see yourself.
Anyways, me don't see myself out of my yard, better go.
Yeah. Can I say come over my yard?
So you tell him to see himself too, you know.
That means that me a run. That is not run out. Me don't want to get that from run out. Run out when me say come out of my yard. Me never say that.
Me gonna my yard.
Yeah, ma'am.
Asha, how are you doing over here, sir?
Okay, let me just go talk to you now.
Yeah, and you know what chat about, not you?
Kinda, yeah. Larry, and I really not bad do about
For real?
everything good now.
You know, say, how you have the most handsome cousin in the world and you must say you have the best man in the world.
I'm if you tell you.
So I have to that I can't nothing else.
She will make you know still. If I not bad, she will tell you.
Oh, so how you doing?
Go me girl in the yard, you know.
Everything mad?
Yeah man, everything good.
Alright. I see that, not true.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I'm so glad to see you.
What's up? Wow.
Come in there, sit down. Look on your eyes.
I'm good, man.
So how things?
I say everything good. I say, I come over here, come look and sit. But, you know, I say, I know I sit down here, but I can't hold out of mind. I like how you move yesterday, you know, you give me one bad feeling, boy. Which, I don't really know if I saw everything really go out of mind and tell them, but I don't like how you did yesterday. I feel like when you rush me up and say put in backyard and then when I left, you push me out of the house. And I can't hold it, I hold it.
No, I'm not push you out of your house. Why are you telling me that? I'm push you out of your house. Explain.
I just feel like when you say, alright, you wanna know.
No, I never said that. I said go and you can't go anywhere. Now come I go deal with something.
Oh.
So, I don't understand when me, you know this push out of the house?
What?
When somebody pick up you and push you out.
I don't think they can manage to put me on.
You don't even imagine me can shoot you.
Well,
Yes.
that's still. Anyways, Missy Kelly come from over here. My cousin that and man. How you name a chat about?
Oh, that's not diabolical. Girl stuff. That's girl stuff. I
So
don't
we not chat about how she have the most handsome cousin and he have the best hot looking man ever.
No, we never that talk about that.
You sure?
Yes, we 100% sure about that part there.
I believe that.
We never have that conversation. We never have a girls talk about one, you know.
Oh. Well, you say, hey, if I did nothing bad, you tell me, sir.
Yeah, no, nothing bad. But say you know, I'm never that push out of the house. I'm never that rush to get your bank information. So please stop walking and tell people and things about me.
I don't know why you know. But, you know, guys, I'm Mr. Kelly. You know, I don't want $5 for game. To big up yourself.
Yeah.
I'm my cousin, that know.
That's nice. So, how much you bring to me?
You know, I have to tell you the truth. I want to run around 15 or 1,000. But too many really plan.
Oh, me understand. That's alright.
Mm.
At least I give me some. But you know, say me have something to tell about me. I want to tell you.
What?
That's something about Kelly. You know, say Kelly come over here and cuss me off.
What?
Kelly come over here and cuss me off. Say how me I take away from her.
What?
Yes, and he said sorry the day when he make it to our talk.
What?
Yeah, what like what dog? You don't hear what I'm saying?
No, I don't understand.
Kelly come over here and cuss me off right out there. So if they come look a bit quicker, you'll hear.
So what do you mean you might take me away from her? You don't understand that.
Meaning to just like why don't I give her the 10 grand and say give her the 6 and give her the 4?
Yeah.
She said she should get it what I should get none.
And
she said friend she had little pick me and come up and normally send her big money. No, the money are lower down and I split in half and she not like that.
Allah ya tell. For my cousin said that.
Your cousin said that. So she said me and must break up.
And what you say?
Wait, I say?
I don't know what you say.
Me never say nothing. Me just say, see on your way. So thing I tell you. Then yesterday.
I might be a that's when it looks up on your face.
Yeah,
No,
so
me not believe that. Me not
a
believe.
true Kelly say in a like when the two are with it together. So me and plan for
Kelly
break up.
says, you plan to break up with me?
Yeah.
No, you can't left me. You can't left me. You're mad.
Why?
Why you feel left me?
Kelly don't like when they two are with it together, but it's okay. We'll be alright. Don't worry, it's all be okay. Hush.
No, you can't left me.
Remember you have a woman in your foreign.
You can't left me.
No, it not gonna work, you know. Me still and me realize that it's not going to work. Me know what happened to you and Kelly come from far. And your cousin. And you say you rate her. So just talk to her. You can't talk to her about it. She said she don't want to talk for this, so you not gonna work out. Nobody say me I run out of my house and know but see your way out. See your way through the door. Bye bye. Cause
So,
you not
so
gonna
you
work out.
can't give me one next chance. Or?
No, remember you know. You see, with this attack, you think say my heart they all get broke. No, your heart I get broke. Remember your woman are there for you know. You not gonna work out. Your woman there for you know, your cousin, your whole family. Me wasn't want me and me Charmaine not anything. Charmaine is like my mother. Please see yourself out through the door.
Alright.
Yes, but tell me when me already old. Kindly go on.
Alright, look come on here.
Yeah, look come on, bye bye.
So change your mind, you can't text me.
This a mind and change and a dictionary this go on.
Alright.
Boy, you give me $1,000 and get she fat. Sure.
What am I say?
Mommy.
Yeah, baby.
Me just come from over here, lad. Oh, yeah, watch.
Never mind.
What's
Private
with you, so?
conversation.
True. You must be fine, man.
Never mind. You come from Kayla.
I come from Bakela.
Mm-hmm.
And, you know, say, me see cause down the road when, you see same as a pass, me I don't talk.
Mm-hmm.
David did a pass same time, you know, they go up a Kayla yard. I go up here and go up and come down. Try me not to even remember. But
They move so close already.
Anyways, they tell me say, oh yeah, come in, they come. They tell me say, go over our yard and he reach over there and she tell him say, she want paint out house, she want mattress, she want bed base, she want clock, she want hair for do nails, do.
What, him for do it? Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And not even 5 days, not like she crazy. It's like she try to use him. But here the crazy part now, mommy. She go tell him, say, go hand him phone, but him fi put in him bank info.
What?
Tell me now.
No, sir. Me never know.
She lick her head.
I mean, know David to be a liar. No, that's something that's so.
That
Me never kill her for some. Me know David
that's
to be
so
a liar.
crazy.
Then the most.
Say, and then when time he tell her send out help her.
Mm-hmm.
But Troy now go fear, but she don't run him out.
What?
When my girl there a while ago,
Mm-hmm.
race syrup. I'm my favorite.
Mm-hmm.
Girl there for race syrup a while ago. She said nothing no go so like that be tell. Me just pass that way girl there to same way so.
That's why me say keep out tight. Something fishy, something fishy.
Something alright.
Something alright.
One of them I tell like.
Mm-hmm. Me don't know David to be alive, but we really don't know Kayla to be like
not
that.
Kayla being that type of person if you go biggest and they run.
Mm-hmm.
Me not know far as that type of person.
You know the best bet? I could keep out tight. You see when man and woman together,
me
and the two of them
come out tight because remember say me go beg. And me take up mine.
Him say yes.
You know.
Him say yes. You never hold on to him head. And him say yes and she say she want him. And when you say you pass him a go,
catch up, then come mix me or call me and tell me if you try fix nothing cause me know
tell them say you stay outside. At the end of the day, them teeth and tongue can always meet, but two heads share the same pillow. And when them talk,
anything when me tell him when they lay down pan pillow, him don't tell her say Kelly said this or she go say Kelly said that and me then I no mix up with them.
Never you make anybody have to make you beat your chest and go, who, me? Mm-mm. Make the two lovebirds them sort it out.
And we just left them alone.
That's the best thing you do. You go over there and talk to her, she saying nothing go so, and then you see him a go over there after, keep out tight.
Because obviously, like, because no girl not gonna deal with me. So, although me did tell him say not really watch that still, so me tell him to just go and watch and see what they go on. So
he's supposed to have him on a mind, and she have her own.
Everybody have a mind of them own. Me can't tell us if you do this or what you have to think for yourself.
Exactly. Why we never know so either of them move. But you did hear that a minute ago? Killing my belly a rumble. My belly a rumble more than thunder. I go put on the food already. I go take it up.
For me, the rumble too.
So you can't do it up for me. If we wait for you, me dead with hunger, me gone.
Alright.
Kelly!
Oh, Davi, you alright? I'm good to see you, man. Why you come with a bag of things?
Yeah, everything, man, everything.
Yeah, alright. I just expecting you to do some food and thing.
Until me not tell her that. Man, I'm in a good mood.
What do you?
You know what I say? You know if you know what I'm going on, but you know what I say? Me and Kayla end up dead.
Yes, so me here.
Mr. Kayla left me yesterday.
Lord God, for what?
Look how I'm doing not telling her, you know, say all along. I'm not telling him to deal with him, I rate him all along, you know, but I'm not telling him, say, I don't want to deal with him because I don't want to hurt him. I don't want to hurt myself, auntie.
Oh,
you see,
God,
I'm a man overseas. I don't know woman. Me not know woman, but me no want dive in a relationship and get my foot broke.
I know.
And the girl left me and me not tell her me like him. Matter of fact, me not there might be all too fast to say this, but I love him, me not tell her.
Oh God. Well, you must can work it out, Davi, man.
No, him left me, if auntie, if he left me, he at least I got left me with my pride. Me not go back to nobody. And the reason why he left me, tell him, I said, I did not say about nothing to nobody, and I said just between me and him. I tell him, I say, I kill her down in her ears. I say, yo, if you left the family alone, alright. Now when he tell me that, I can't believe. But you know how me have to believe too. From yesterday, I call down telephone and I can't get to him. And so comes me say,
No, come on.
No. And so comes me say, I come over here today and confront him and see which friend there. You know there.
No, she not there, but no, you really think Kelly would hide from you? She love you more than she love her own mother.
And that him a tell him, but him a tell
No,
him a
man.
Auntie, tell me say Kelly come over there and I race him which man Kelly buck up right as when me and him a pass for through. And him buck up one place and him come over there and he do one look kind of look on his face. What me ain't take years now?
No, man, you know, so your cousin will defend you to the high water.
That's the thing, and that me think to auntie, but if me a call down his phone and I can't get him, and if Kayla says so, and if Kayla really want me, and he just left me and say, you know, want a family, you know, want to interrupt my family, because the reason he said is because me, I split the money between the two of them, even though me I kill him, I kill him, my cousin, which me and myself, they think that she rate me. But he must say no. It's like I just money thing, but here auntie here I go. Auntie here I go. When I come back to Jamaica, I can't tell her when.
Jamaica when? I leave, you leave?
Me auntie right now want Uber this
No man, leave over this talk to Kelly, man. Let me no, our phone now work. Kelly love you more than she love you. He's our favorite cousin, you know, Davi.
Reach over myself. I am favorite auntie. Come like you're only family. Watch out now, you see if public come back, cousin came on. Or public, whatever you want to call himself. I see him on Facebook like him on the page and call himself public. You know.
Nobody puts
but
it in your
if
head.
you come back, just give me money. We sell him. I don't want nothing to do with Jamaica again.
No man, don't do that. Don't do that, Davi. Come on.
Auntie.
This are your roots. No man, you have your family that love you. Talk alright. Me when Kelly come in since her phone now work. If it I bet she didn't give problem from where they, you know. Don't believe that, man. No, Kelly love you.
Until me buy a ticket already and overweight for me. If anything will come back.
You should have talked to me first, man, Davi.
No, involved very night. God no, but auntie just pick up yourself. Yo, may I come?
No.
Auntie, me see you here.
Alright, let me know when you reach.
Alright.
Cha. Me I go phone you for her. She go make you talk to her. Can't go so. Lord God, no sir. Why she can't answer her phone, man? Kelly, come quick. Where you did that, man? Where you did that? Lord God, you don't know what just happened. Come sit down, man. Come sit down.
Just me come one bag of problem.
One bag of problem for true. Davi gone. Davi come and say, him a lift up. Because you and Davi have argument? You're not problem with them?
If you have argument, bro. Where me by Davi gone? Gone way. Run a killer.
Him bring taxi and full of him bags and things. Him gone back. Him gone back to foreign. At airport him a go now. You did not say him and Kayla mash up? Kayla tell him one bag of things.
Me pass David ever run a killer yard yesterday. Me not tell her that.
Yes.
Me and David not talk.
Can you even say about that and him and say you a mash them up and one bag of things. And Kayla leave him for you because she don't want no bag of problem with the family.
And Kayla leave him for me?
And I want to try talk him down, but you know when him head chip. Him gone. Him say megaphone me when he reach foreign.
You see that girl there?
What you and she have?
Me and I don't have one thing.
How she call them?
Me tell her already, my girl on there, go tell her say me don't want she go and like she want to use my cousin. So I eat. So it's like, that's what I tell her say, you know, me not understanding her because one of them I tell lie, you know, and it look like a she, you know.
Why it look so because me know
she
you.
Look like say she want mash up food with family.
Cause she says she don't want come in between. Can him have feelings for her? Until we say my feelings for her. What she mean
that she dey left him for me? Me and him know there.
You me don't know one bag of chatting me I'm confused.
So what kind of remarks
because him upset with you, she upset with you, him upset with she, one bag of triangle.
That don't make no sense.
It don't make no sense.
Upset with me and he not try to talk to me. In Ghana,
You
he
know,
not try to
him
talk
say
to
my
me.
phone you. Him
Mommy,
say my phone and
you
phone and
you
phone
know, see me
and
they come they
phone.
cuss the piece of old phone. The
Me
phone
know.
in and out, in and out. I
Me
don't
know.
know what to the phone. You need a new
Yeah.
eSIM.
If it was just 5 minutes, you know.
Eh.
Me don't know
That's
what.
why they say if you see people busy and leave it alone, you know. Me tell that girl they say no, me no want she and my cousin and nothing, you know, cause me know they say it don't happen. Anytime they link, anything happen, who go get to blame? Me. See that and me they get to blame
Me
now.
not understand. You sure you and Kayla never have nothing?
Mommy and Kayla if you help mommy, me not done tell you what happened. She said nothing like that never go on. So me take her word.
Can't
So
even say.
all them go they come they try to blame me, you know.
Him might even say him not no other family and him done with Jamaica.
If at that time mindset because you know try to go find out what happened with we. You don't got a mindset but you know another family. So
But
you
him
go
say
make
my
stake a
phone
woman to with good family ship or whatever kind of ship, I don't even ship or a boat or what. Him don't make it fall apart because of one girl.
Him should even phone me. Him can't get hold of you. Him no say yes, say you leave.
Davi.
How him not even link me and say him no want get me involved? Like say me the
So how
done
you wanna
involved
get me
already.
involved?
Aye.
How you want to get me involved?
Hugs. I don't understand.
I done with them, you know. Me not have
Me
nothing
not
to do with
understand.
Kayla and me not have nothing to do with him. Cause me not nobody mix me or tell no lie for me.
No man, you can't say that. Look how far you and Kayla come from.
Mommy, far not have nothing to do with it. Me and Davi they come from further than she. Davi and my favorite cousin, me and him grow together.
Me
So
tell-
me not supposed to make sake a girl, me and my cousin fall out.
No, but me
And then again, me done with the two of them and not just she and the both of them because him, they got pick side. Me not, yeah, only family, I'm bride so. And I did that feel when they got through relationship problem, the man they call me one chocolate night or whatever they ball to me.
Me know. But fingers think he can't that shit way. Right? Him and with family. Me tell him say your phone mash up. And me, when him phone me, cause him say go phone me and tell me saying reach. When he phone me and tell me say reach, talk to him. Go talk to Kayla, man. You two grew up like sisters.
If me talk to Kayla, it might cause an argument because me not go off it good because me can't lose my favorite cousin because of she.
Nothing. No.
So it upset
You
me.
know
And
how-
you know, so me not go talk to her in a one nice manner. Fishy things and me and her friend.
No, man, everybody deserve a second chance. Get to the root of it first. Because him coming mad and not even make no sense.
Me go talk to her in a moment. Me go talk to her and me need you to talk to her too because you see after me done squash this, me not have nothing to do with it. Me not want them mix, make them do get together again. Me not want nothing to do with it. Me see I'm blind, ear and deaf, and me mouth
slow to
locked.
speak.
Totally shut.
But Kayla, your sister, man, when I grew up from kindergarten in a cot, same cot. Go talk to her and reason with her and say. And then when Davi phone the same reach, talk to him.
Alright, later.
He's some mix up, man.
Later,
That's
me
some
girl,
mix
they
up.
right now me tired, you know. I lie down, me go lie down.
I even leave it till
So,
tomorrow
me
when
girl,
heads
they
cool
can-
down.
Right now my head cheap.
Alright.
So when me calm down and in a good headspace, me go talk to she, but me can't talk to her right now.
Alright, that fair enough. Alright, go get a drink and cool yourself down.
Me soon go. Me
Alright,
just
I
there. So.
can't understand that. Why?
And
Bag
me
of
can't
mix up,
believe
man.
Davi. Up till now, me can't believe Davi. Davi really wouldn't think that. No, sir. Right now, I go look for Kayla, because me want to get to the bottom of this.
Hey, how can it look so?
Girl, how am to you?
Me and me are come.
Come up on my yard, come down down your yard, me a come.
I can't be saying I'm gonna break my heart. I should have listened to you.
Listen to me, say what?
I don't know if you're not gonna talk to you.
Girl. Right now, in gone, you know, in Bex with me. For what reason, I don't know. I mean, I know what you tell him, so come. Me come down at your yard to find out.
Come over here, you have to find out what you tell him say.
What me fi tell him say?
He come over there. What me I water? He come over there and say it's not going to work because Kelly this and Kelly that.
Kelly this and Kelly that what?
Me don't listen to him.
What me fi say to him?
Me don't know.
Even when me come over there, can tell you, say whatever, I need the pass, I need the ask what you talk about. Up till now, me not mention nothing to him.
You see, when he come over there, girl, he tell me saying just pass and how you tell him one long paragraph or something and he not going to work. And he end the relationship and he black me a call, so me don't come up here to see if he up there. Come no. Know what me do wrong.
Mommy just tell me say in Ghana and they come and they say me make you and him tap talk say you left him. So how are they going in this?
Kelly,
Me,
use your brain.
Me tell you, say me never want to no mix me, you know.
But no, Kelly, and him. Kelly, let me show you how I'm tell you lie. Look into it, Kelly. Look how we work so hard for there with him. So get up, so I left him. Look into it.
Well, that's true because I did well obsessed over him and so, but girl, me no know.
So,
Me feel a way if you know say him a say this and that, but I just say go. Me not really busy about him still. Now me go call him and find out what him problem now. Cause me no want
Yes.
mix up, you know. Girl, take a ball in your idiot. Man go and man come. Well, it's a man there. Tap a ball in. So come on, babe.
Watch now, man. You don't know, say one puppy then and I present for Davi Dan HD. And you made it to the end of this movie. So I want to say thank you for watching this movie to the end. You understand? So I just want to like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend about Davi Dan HD. Because remember to Davi Dan I do it right. And that's when I put in the word phone, all the pajamas sitting and going over here. So all the things. So just stay tuned for the channel. One Davi Dan HD. I'm out.